Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to prove to you the well-ordering principle, which states that every non-empty subset of positive integers has a smallest member or smallest number. Let T be a non-empty collection of positive integers. We want to prove that T has a smallest number such that there is a smallest number in t sub 0 is less than or equal to t for all t in capital T, so the set capital T. Assume for contradiction that T has no smallest member. We shall explain that this leads to a contradiction. First of all, the integer 1 cannot be in T, because otherwise it would be the smallest member of T. We shall introduce a new set. Let S be the set of n such that n is less than T for all T in T. Now the number 1 is in S because 1 is less than T for all T in T. Let K be a positive integer in S. Then let K be an integer in S. Then K is less than T for all T in T. Now we shall prove that K plus 1 K plus 1 is also an element of S. Because if K plus 1 is not an element of S, we would have a contradiction. First, what does mean for K plus 1 to be in S? For K plus 1 to not be in S, we will have K plus 1 is greater than or equal to some number in capital T, T sub 1. And since the set T, we assume that it has no smallest member, then there exists a number called T sub 2, which is less than T sub 1, which means that K plus 1 is greater than T sub 2, which means that K is greater than or equal to T sub 2, which contradicts the definition of S, which is K is less than T. K is less than T for all T in T. Then we conclude that K plus 1 is also in S. Since 1 is in S and K is in S, then K plus 1 is also in S. Therefore, I conclude that S contains all positive integers. And since S contains all positive integers, since T is non-empty, there is a positive integer T in T, but this T must also be in S because S contains all positive integers. It follows from the definition of S that T is less than T, which is a contradiction. Therefore, T has a smallest number. So I have completed the proof. If you guys have any questions, leave them about this video, leave them down below in the comment section, and that's it.